I'm Steve, I'm from Lilo Pools. We've been dealing with Reece for probably 3 to 4 years now. Reece is good to deal with in the terms of we've got a business sense, but we've also got a social aspect with them as well. I like working with businesses where I have a personal interaction. I just believe everyone just bonds and works for each other better. We've been using the Max software now for approximately 12 to 18 months. My store manager from Reece introduced me to it and showed me how to use it. I've integrated as part of our business to try and speed processes up. If we get an order out on site and I'm not sure if everything's there, I can just quickly look up my online orders. It just simplifies things for me, saves me time having to go in store. We can get online, do it from home, so it just gives us access to Reece 24 hours, wherever we are, whenever we need it. I find Max very easy to use. It's one set process, log in, you're on site, my orders, invoicing, it's all there for me to look at. I can just click on something and go to where I want to be. There's been numerous projects where Max has gotten us out of trouble on site. We've run out of fittings or pipe work and been able to get online straight away on my phone and get onto my account, go into products, get a new order out, punch it through, and within a couple of hours I've normally got it on site. I've recommended Max to other pool building mates. I just find the process is easy. Being able to just jump online and process everything through Max just simplifies everything.